So we've talked a bit about measurements already. Next, we're going to talk about how certain that we are of our measurements. We're going to talk about accuracy and precision. So counting is the only type of measurement that's free from uncertainty. So our counting numbers, we can say that those are exact values. Those are just numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are all exact numbers. Um, The numbers for certain defined quantities are also exact. So 1 foot is exactly 12 inches. An inch is exactly 2.54 centimeters. A gram is exactly 0.001 kilograms. Numbers that are not exact are quantities that we find from measurements other than counting. And um, there's always limitations of this measurement process. Uh, but a measured number has to be reported in a certain way that indicates its uncertainty properly. So when we're recording a measurement, we're allowed to estimate to one uncertain digit. So whatever digit that we know for certain, then we can move over one decimal place further and estimate what that value is. Let's look at an example here. So here we have this volume of liquid in a graduated cylinder, and we have to figure out the distance between uh, where this value is. So we always measure here to figure out what our value is. And now let's look at the scale. So it looks like we're going up by ones here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So here's 21, here's 22. And now it's zoomed in a little bit better for us so we can see a little better. It looks like it's probably above the halfway point, but we still don't know for certain. So we could say 21.6 maybe, or possibly 21.7, but we do know for certain that it's 21. So that means that we can estimate just one decimal place. So we're gonna estimate and say it's 21.6. We would not say that it's 21.65. That would be two decimal places. So the 2 and the 1, those are certain digits. If we estimate that it's 21.6, 6 is the estimation. And somebody else might perceive that this is equal to that as well.